Ever wondered how to turn your online presence into cold hard cash? Or maybe you've heard about Beam and are curious how it works. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of Beam and explore exactly how you can start receiving money from this popular platform. Understanding Beam. Beam is a unique platform that allows content creators to connect directly with their audience and earn tips. It's a way to monetize your content without relying solely on ads or sponsorships. The beauty of Beam is that it's community-driven. Your audience is the one supporting you, and every tip is a token of appreciation. How does it work? Create an account. The first step is to sign up for a Beam account. It's a straightforward process that requires basic information. Set up your stream. Once you're in, you'll need to set up your stream. This involves choosing a platform, like Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook Live, and connecting it to your Beam account. Go live. Start broadcasting your content. As you're streaming, your viewers can watch you live and interact with you in real time. Receive tips. When viewers enjoy your content, they can tip you using Beam tokens. These tokens can be purchased with real money. Tips for maximizing your earnings. Engage with your audience. The more you interact with your viewers, the more likely they are to tip. Respond to comments, answer questions, and create a welcoming atmosphere. Consistent content. Regular streaming is key to building a loyal following. Stick to a schedule so your viewers know when to tune in. Quality content. High-quality content is essential for attracting and retaining viewers. Focus on producing engaging and entertaining streams. Promote yourself. Don't be afraid to promote your Beam channel on other social media platforms. Share your streams, clips, and highlights to reach a wider audience. Additional features. Beam offers several additional features to enhance your experience. Subscriptions. Allow viewers to subscribe to your channel for exclusive perks and benefits. Emotes. Create custom emotes that your viewers can use in your chat. Merchandise. Sell merchandise related to your channel to generate additional income. Beam is a fantastic platform for content creators looking to monetize their passion. By understanding how it works and following these tips, you can start receiving money from your audience and build a sustainable career. So, what are you waiting for? Start streaming on Beam today and let your creativity shine. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep streaming and keep earning.